Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to go over how to protect our worksheets and workbook. If you've ever worried about someone coming in and accidentally editing or changing any of the data in your workbook, this video is for you. First up, let's lock the cells that we want to protect. So you have to right-click, Format Cells, go to your Protection tab, and make sure the locked feature is on. Once that's done, you can press OK. Now, nothing is protected yet. Next step is very important. Now we have to come up to the protect sheet and then enter your password. Once you've entered your password, you can also allow users of the worksheet without unprotecting the sheet to edit any feature. So here you can also allow all users of this workbook, whether or not it's protected or not, to select the locked or unlocked cells, but not to edit them. You can also allow users to do any of the below here, such as inserting rows and columns, deleting rows and columns, as well as editing objects. For now, I will leave it. Once we press OK, you will be prompted to confirm your password. This step prevents accidental edits. Now you can press OK, and there you go. Your sheet is protected. Now if you try to edit any of the data, you will get a pop-up box saying that it's a protected sheet, and you say okay. So if you want to do any edits in this, you can unprotect the sheet by simply entering your password. Okay, and there you have it. So now you can make your edits, and then you can also re-protect your sheet. Enter a password again. It doesn't have to be the same one this time. Press OK, double check your password. Now you cannot change anything. You can also secure the entire workbook. If you had multiple sheets that you want to protect at the same time, all you have to do is come here, Protect Workbook. You can add a password and say, okay, re-enter your password to confirm, and make sure you don't forget this password because you won't be able to open up the worksheet without it. It's okay. Your workbook is protected. So now anyone who opens or wants to modify this worksheet will have to enter their password. Now your data, your information, and your work is safe and sound. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe button. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.